Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta, where we will be discussing question.
Write the molecular structural and skeletal formula for butanol C₄H₉OH. Correct answer is molecular formula C₄H₉OH, structural formula C₄H₄CH2CH2CH2OH, skeletal formula image available at this link https://wikipedia.org wiki butanol media file butanol structural formula png. Implications. Number 1. Butanol is an alcohol compound with a 4-carbon chain and a hydroxyl group OH attached to one of the carbon atoms. Number 2. The structural formula shows the arrangement of atoms within the molecule, highlighting the connectivity between carbon and hydrogen atoms. Number 3. The skeletal formula provides a simplified visual representation of the molecule, emphasizing the carbon backbone and functional group.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.